Hello everyone, this is Clarix, and today we are going to work with dividing scientific notations that contains positive and negative exponents. So dividing is quite easier, much easier than any other process of scientific notations, because all we have to do is divide these two values. So we're going to say 28.8 divided by 3.2. That's going to give us, so you can place it into your calculator, 28.8 divided by 3.2. That's going to give us 9 with precision. So now we have part of our answer. Okay, and when we divide the exponents, the portion that contains exponents, we say that it's going to be 10 to the 14, 10 to the 6. We know that when we divide coefficients or variables that contains exponents, we need to subtract the exponents. So that's going to be 10 to the 14 minus 6. That's going to give us 10 to the 8. Okay, so this is part of my answer, and this is part of my answer. And the way I'm going to combine that is 9 times 10 to the 8th. That's my scientific notation value. As easy as it can get. So we're going to do the same process on the other side, but with negative exponents. And we're going to start with the coefficients. We're going to divide them. 7, I'm going to rewrite it if you feel comfortable. 7.48 divided by 1.3. So 7.48 divided by 1.3. That's going to give us a decimal of 5.75, 38, 46, 154. So that is a very long list of decimals. Now we can focus on the portion of that contains exponents, and we can say that 10 to the negative 3 divided by 10 to the 7 is equivalent to 10 to negative 3 minus 7, because we are subtracting, right? And that's, you got to be careful when you place it in the calculator. You need to know the difference between the minus sign, which is smaller, versus no, the negative sign, which is smaller, versus the minus sign, which is larger. Okay, so when you place that, that's going to give you 10 to the negative 10. Now when we rearrange this, I think this is just an assumption that usually professors like you to round this value, because there's a lot of digits here. Unless they ask you to be precise with your answer, you're just going to round the value to so since this is 5 or above is going to add 1 digit, right? So that's going to become 5.8. Okay, so as our final answer, we're going to have 5.8 times 10 to the negative 10. This is the portion of your answer, the portion of your answer. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.